Machita no Aussie inkosi ngobuyela ki-channel igama lami ndinguseko uFootball SA lona isukile bafethu Kaizer Chiefs 4 updates bafethu nge-players ezi4 in terms of i-transfers bafethu iyasuka indaba apha kule video vandag bafethu ndizothetha ngoLangelihle Phili, Elias Mokwana, Faiz Fire Abrams plus no Ayabulela Maxwele. Ngiqale ngephi? Mangiqale ngoPhili ngoba le kaPhili indaba bafethu kudala sidiniwe yiyo bafethu, kudala itsala le ndaba. Ngiqale ngoPhili, i-latest updates bafethu kuthiwa mangiqale ngoPhili, i-latest update bafethu from number 1 updates bafethu kuthiwa Jeno apha eMzantsi bafethu, i-journalist isithembileyo apha ku-Football SA uMazola Molefe bafethu uthi Kaizer Chiefs isondele bafethu. Yona neStellenbosch bafike ki-agreement in principle bafethu, agreement in principle between i-clubs bafethu. Kuthethwa ngantoni apho? Bakuse i-club le ithengayo, le ifuna uthenga, ibeka i-offer, i-numbers, okay jonga 8 million okanye 10 million okanye 13 million, and then la club ithi hayi sure siyavuma. I-agreement in principle ke leyo between i-clubs xa uthetha nge-transfers. Emva kwalo process, emva kweso step ke ngoba bafethu kubekho i-agreement between i-club ne-player bafethu ba i-salary izawuthini, i-contract izaba how many years. So ithini report kaMazola bafethu vandag? SABC Sport can reveal that Kaizer Chiefs have taken a significant step towards signing Stellenbosch FC winger Langelihle Phili after the two clubs reached an agreement in principle over the proposed transfer. The public broadcaster understands negotiations have gathered momentum this week after Chiefs improved their offer following several rounds of discussions involving player swap proposals and a cash component. Talks had previously centered around the inclusion of striker Ashley Dupreez and at least one other player, but Stellenbosch remained reluctant to sanction a move, preferring either an overseas transfer or allowing Phili to see out the remainder of his contract. However, indications are that the two clubs have now aligned on the broad framework of a deal, although a number of finer details still need to be finalized before the transfer can be concluded. Should those outstanding issues be resolved, Chiefs will be in pole position to complete the signing before the transfer window closes in September. Who has prioritized the recruitment of a versatile wide attacker capable of operating on the wing or in a supporting role behind the striker. While the move has not yet been officially completed, the latest developments leave Chiefs as clear favourites to secure the services of one of the Betway Premiership's most exciting attacking talents. Nazo ke bafethu, the latest report regarding uLangelihle Phili. And then a related report bafethu from Soccer Beat, Peter du Toit, the former editor of Soccer Laduma. Peter no Soccer Beat, who are based in Cape Town bafethu, obviously bane close sources Stellenbosch. Bathi ba Kaizer Chiefs neStellenbosch bahlanganisa i-double swap bafethu. Bahlanganisa i-double swap deal bafethu. Langelihle Phili plus no Faiz Fire Abrams by Kaizer Chiefs, and then yona Stellenbosch ifumane u-Ashley Dupreez plus nenyelaiti bidlala ku-TDC Kaizer Chiefs as a central defender uRhopolang Thaunyana. Ithi report Soccer Beat, Kaizer Chiefs are understood to be exploring a quadruple deal with Stellenbosch FC that involves Faiz Abrams and Langelihle Phili. Ashley Dupreez and Rhopolang Thaunyana look set to be part of the proposed deal that includes players plus cash. Nazo ke ezo bafethu. Nike ngoku enye i-report bafethu informal isource mara sithembileyo lena bafethu. Insider Kaizer Chiefs, Innocent Mkhize bafethu uthi ba Kaizer Chiefs plus ne-Golden Arrows baphinde baqalela i-talks for Ayabulela Maxwele, central midfielder / attacking midfielder / right winger e-Golden Arrows bafethu. And then player number 4 bafethu Elias Mokwana. Le report isuka ke-writer i-Esperance eTunisia. Ithi Elias Mokwana is being offered to Kaizer Chiefs. The player has not yet given his agreement. Esperance is not opposed to his departure. Ivaya njani we bathiwa offered ki-team bafethu? Le way agents ziyayenza bafethu all over the world, every transfer window. Agents zifunela i-players, i-clubs all the time bafethu. So iwenzekayo ne agency soloko isiva ba okay i-club ethile ifuna i-player ethile edlala i-position eso age ethile. So agents ke ngoku zi-offerisha i-players kula situation nje yana ke ngoku ziki clubs bayejonga i-club ethile siyava kuthiwa nifuna i-player enjena njena, sinayo i-player enale profile, le player i-available if nayifuna, le player se-offerisha available if nayifuna. Thethwa loo nto ke bafethu xa kuthiwa i-player has been offered to a club. Umokwana na i-player versatile bafethu ukwazi udlala as a winger, i-right winger, out and out right winger. iyakwazi ukudlala attacking midfield, iyakwazi ukudlala nase-left obviously because zonke zinjeyana i-modern wingers. Prime age na 26 umjita and experience e-grand ibafana international, sedlala naki-AFCON, World Cup qualifiers, wawina ne-league eTunisia ne-Esperance, i-big team, wawina ne-cup ezi-2, domestic cup eTunisia, wayena ki-loan e-Saudi Arabia umjita. Kaizer Chiefs ngathola i-player grand. If nekhumbula izolo bafethu bengithethe nge-positions uFernando da Cruz bethe yazifuna bafethu, ndathi Kaizer Chiefs bafethu inayo i-right forward but ayinayo i-right winger. Le ngumokwana bafethu i-right winger ke umjita akayo right forward ngoba kusemjita udlala on the line, so izaba option different to Mfundo Vilakazi oyi-right forward. Mfundo Vilakazi yena i-right forward because akadlali on the line umjita, ukhatha inside. Bentshile kwa video izolo mokwana is the out and out right winger, udlala elayinini yena umjita. So Kaizer Chiefs ndilindele for uba mayithathe le deal bafethu. And then ulangelihle phili bafethu siyayazi ke bafethu, there's nothing more I should explain about umjita. Winger fast, similar to Velebhai, very tricky, is quick, he can create and score goals. And then Faiz Abrahams bafethu similar to umokwana naye, is a right winger, khaba nge-right udlala e-right wing. Unespeed umjita na tactically uGren umfethu, educated kaGren umjita, usuka from one of the best academies eMzansi, iKamva, Cape Town Spurs, formerly known as Cape Town Spurs bafethu. So Faiz kuthiwa ngufire xa bembiza umjita, quality eGren naye Kaizer Chiefs ngumspanisa. Naye umjita uyakwazi ukudlala as an attacking midfielder number 10. Ayabulela Maxwele bafethu naye umjita most games naye udlala central ke na kumjita, attacking midfield ne central midfield. But mostly umjita udlala as a central midfielder number 8, but number 8 or advanced. Umjita is a specialist like that. But into number 8, but yena umjita number 8 or advanced bafethu, almost like a number 8 half 10 umjita. So speciality umjita, very very talented, very intense, very hard working player bafethu. Uyakwazi ukudlala nase wing umjita, which is Fernando da Cruz leyo efunayo, bakufuna i-players ezikwazi ukudlala i-position ezininzi bafethu. So Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, as players e4, it's looking good for Amakhosi bafethu. And guess what bafethu, zonke as players Fernando da Cruz bethe ufuna i-signings for zona kweza positions bafethu, bethe ufuna i-wingers ezi-2, attacking midfielder ne-striker. I-striker kho report bafethu, but I think ezibabentshile kwi-video izolo bafethu, I think Kaizer Chiefs suppose ba ingasayini striker okanye ayisidingi ngongoku, maybe ngasijonga ngoJanuwari ke, but zikhona i-players bafethu ezikwazi ukudlala ezi-different profile to i-strikers ezikhoyo Kaizer Chiefs. Onumber 9 abakhoyo uSilva plus no-Ighodaro, bakhona abanye 9 abane-profile ezi-different bafethu, and boyi-2 aba-9 bane-profile ezingafaniyo even kwabona. Wandile Duba bafethu, at the same time bekhona Naledi Hlongwane. Amajita unlike uSilva no-Ighodaro basebenzisa imandla as i-target man, bahold up ibhola bafethu. Amajita adlala off i-shoulders ze-defenders, they run behind defenders and finish goals. Wese Hlongwane yena udlala off i-shoulders ze-defenders umjita, timing ne-instinct bafethu, similar profile to Cassius Melula no-Ikram Reyners. Wandile Duba naye similar but more umjita yena uyakwazi ubaleka grand channels, is very mobile striker. So nazo i-profile is different bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs do not really have to go outside and look for a different profile for a striker bafethu. So nazo i-players e4 bafethu. Kaizer Motaung Jr, will he make it happen bafethu? Sonke asikho sure, sonke asino confidence bafethu, because Kaizer Motaung unfortunately xa sithetha inyani bafethu akho so good at his job at getting deals over the line bafethu. Sizawubona bafethu, nazo updates bafethu. Ngicela bafethu masinqole comments bafethu, ngingale support i-channel bafethu, ngo like no subscribe. And finally machita, I should also add that bafethu, ezi deals bafethu A1 okanye ezi-2 zazo zinga-announcwa even ngoku bafethu sithethayo apha kule video okanye by the time nipublisha le video bafethu. So niyazi bafethu, if Kaizer Chiefs announcile bafethu i-player A1 okanye 2 apha bafethu i-announcwe before ndigqibe le video bafethu. So nazo fandakho bafethu, moja.